Hi. Welcome to another edition of Stevens Advantage and Advantage Scientific Educational Videos. Today's topic is 32mm design and manufacturing concept. A frequent question from architects when they are doing submittal approvals is, why do the height and depth dimensions shown on my Stevens submittal drawings vary slightly from my original architectural drawing dimensions? For more than 25 years, Stevens has used, and continues to use, the 32mm design and manufacturing concept as the backbone of its design processes for institutional cabinetry and casework. There is still a lot of misunderstanding of what 32mm cabinet construction means. I will not be able to completely cover a subject like this in this presentation. But, here are a few basics to help explain the very small numerical variations and the benefits of the system. A system that is still used, but is constantly updated as equipment upgrades occur. In the beginning, the 32mm system was conceived and utilized after the design and drawing phase of a project as a complete execution process of sewing, routing to shape, drilling, edge banding and case clamp assembly based on equipment at the forefront at that time. It was designed to produce a large amount of high-quality casework, quickly and without the need for a large team of very highly skilled, hand-oriented woodworker craftsmen. Today, workers have new sets of skills involving electronics, pneumatics, and hydraulics to effectively operate today's latest manufacturing equipment in a modern casework manufacturing plant. But some things have not changed over the years. The 32mm system continues to enhance material efficiency, which works to keep cost down and resource consumption low. Create more consistent parts as to sizing and hole location. And result in a final cabinet that reflects all of the control that went into making the input components used to fabricate the end item. The current 32mm system of design is based on the following guidelines. Number 1. Use metric measuring system. The 32mm system is a metric system where everything is sized and located in 32mm increments. Using the metric system to design and build 32mm cabinets is a must. It is not possible to get precise 1-inch equivalents. Standard conversion is 1 inch equals 25.4 millimeters. The deviation is very small from standard sizes but accounts for some dimension variation from original architectural prints. Number 2. Use end panels divisible by 32mm. Again, this rule accounts for some of the nominal variation that occurs in the height and depth. Our state-of-the-art machines are designed with 32mm bit spacing. The most efficient use of our machines is being able to drill as many holes as possible at one time. Keeping ends on the 32mm system creates a highly efficient drilling pattern. Number 3. Use 32mm system to standardize cabinet part sizes. Currently, the primary value of the 32mm system is standardized cabinet part sizes, which greatly enhances material yields, thereby reducing the cost of wood resources and the strain on their sustainability. In summary, these guidelines offer a very rudimentary outline of the 32mm system. Using the 32mm system results in fractionalized inches, which explains why height and depth vary nominally from the specified dimensions. This variation to the architectural design dimensions is a minor trade-off for the many significant benefits. Still today, most of the hardware associated with casework is using 32mm spacing. However, with the upswing in point-to-point drilling, the entire design of casework is now a hybridization of both universes. As we move through these ever-changing upgrades in equipment and capabilities, Stevens will continue to embrace and integrate these innovations in a tested and confirmed implementation process to ensure low cost and on-time delivery of casework and related products.